Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back with me, Damar, in this second multi-topic of English. I will give you some demo and some explanation about the code of this app, namely Find My Age app in Corduroy. So, if you see in this channel, I'm the official. There is like some video that I upload about NIH. Maybe you already know. Then this is now I will give you some explanation about the application. So firstly, there is a few uh, assets or component. There is button, calculate, and text box, and there's label to label and an image. So the image is for uh, the will know. So now we go to the code. In this code, you can see there is some sites when screen to initialize. So in that what in that code, it make when the screen is appear and the button will uh, get decoration and you will see later. And then this is the main code of other. Uh, so in this code you can know that uh, in when image picture to the clock is function to the date and uh, the date on year the age of uh, you can feel it and then the age will appear and then the 20,000 this is when you under 212 you will get a children will your role will be children and then there is label that takes you are a child and then it will be changed the level one is this level one no this is the level one and then the you are a child and then this is the this set account text to copy this will use for the date of and the year that you put in the text box and then there is text box text and if you under 212 eh 200 2011 and in between 2006 you will get all teenager and then if you under 20 to 2005 you will be the role is adult and then this code is for uh, what for the year and the account for a year and then uh, this is find my age is have some splash screen. What is splash screen? Splash screen, if you know, there is like loading screen. If you know Tokopedia, there is like some loading screen before you enter the main screen of Tokopedia. Then it's the function of splash screen. In this splash screen, I enter a code of this a simple one. When screen one initialize is means when screen one appear and then when and then the clock one will timer will start and then if the timer one is done and then it will stop and then change to the screen two. And then the clock one is I set to 6 clock 6 second. Then this is like uh, uh, loading bar maybe like that. Okay, so let's uh, try it maybe. Okay, let's connect it first. If you want to connect to the what uh, to the codular in phone, you have must download the codular companion. So first you can uh, enter the code in I am using BlueStack, and then just wait, and then it will be in 44%. Just wait. This maybe take a long time, and then it's done. Okay, so let's go. And here it is. If you under 2012, your role are child, and uh, if your role is teenager, you are under 2012 and 2006, and then you can see if you under 205, you are an adult. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have mistake. Shukran. Maybe that is the app of an age. You can you can look in the video. Shukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.